Gotta love these big old giant steel cars with steel hood.
Perfect.
What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today I got a different video. I got to pick up the trailer, and I got to pick up something that you guys 100% don't expect. What is it, you might ask? It is a classic car on rims. And shout out to my brother Salim, man. we gotta tighten up a couple of things on this old Buick that we're gonna pick up today. So let's go get the trailer and let's drive a couple hours up the state and go pick this thing up. All right, guys, so I am rolling. I have about a little over an hour before we get to the farm. So I got the trailer attached in tow, and yeah, I guess we'll pop back up unless something crazy happens on the highway or some other craziness. We'll pop back up when we get to Goldsboro now. All right, guys, we are here. Now I just got to try to squeeze this truck and trailer down this narrow path, and we will go from there. This should be very, very interesting, to say the least. Yep. All right, guys, so there's the first look. That's what we're going to be dealing with right there. Now this, ladies and gentlemen, is an absolute thing of beauty. It's not completely perfect. It has its own little issues. See, the Asante rims look really clean. You can see some of this right here on the door, but nothing major, right? This Skylark is in really, really, really clean and good condition. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to get her fired up, and we're going to take a look at some of the stuff on it, like the suspension, the engine, and I'm going to go over a few things on this beast. And you guys have asked me a little bit about the Aspen too, what we're doing with this, and this is the next thing for me to throw on the trailer to bring back, because I have a lot of work to get to this. I have the panels and stuff I need, and we're going to try to put this thing back together, put a starter on it, and we're going to do something with it. I guess we'll make this a giveaway vehicle. All right, it's locked. Let's go ahead and unlock it. Let's see how she runs first. All right, man, don't you miss these old cars with these bent seats and whatnot? They're just great, man. Whew. All right, she's a little hot in here. Let's put the key in and see if she fires up. Oh, it's got a brand new dash. Look at the odometer, 237 miles. Woo! Damn it, man. Say less, right? Woo! Woo! Ooh, I don't like that. We need to pop the hood and see what's up with that. Maybe she needs a little gas. I can get up under the hood. Okay, I didn't see a hood release. Normally on the older cars, the latch was like right there, but I'm looking here, I don't see a hood pull, unless that's it right there. Nope, that That would probably be a negative, right? Oh, there it was right there. I knew it was here. Uh-oh, hold on. Come on now. All right, now this is much better. Wow, look at that LS swap, man. Looks beautiful. Yes, it does. That thing looks amazing. If you ask me, that thing looks really, really, really good. Well, a couple of things I noticed that are concerning. The paint is good up here. We just hope that it doesn't peel back. We'll have to do something to remedy this. Everything else on this thing looks like, at least engine-wise, they buckled it down pretty well. Electric fans, no fan clutch or none of that BS. The intake looks really good. The suspension was supposedly the big issue, so we're going to take her for a ride right quick and see what exactly is going on with it. First, I got to lock the truck. Alright, let's take her for a ride. Gotta love these big old giant steel cars with steel hood. Love that, man. That's satisfying, just clunk. Alright, I want to see if we can tighten this up. Let's see how she runs. Oh, balls. Now this thing supposedly has AC. It does. Look at that. It's got an air compressor and everything on it now. That's what's up. So it's got air conditioning. Like, this thing come with AC back in the day. Whew! But look at the interior, man. This thing is absolutely beautiful, man. Super beautiful. This thing is so clean, man. So clean. Alright, guys. I'm going to take her on her first run. First thing I noticed out the box is these brakes definitely are going to need some work. So we're not going to be rolling her real far. I'll run her up the street and back just so I get a feel for the suspension and the work that we're going to be doing to it. Wow, she's sloppy. Look at all that slop. Oh, hell no. This looks like someone did a LS, like they just did a LS swap and put it, like connected it up to the old stick. Jesus. We're going to have to do some work. Let's check these brakes. 3, 2, 1. I'm on the brakes all the way to the floor. Look at this. I'm at the floor. I've been on the brakes all the way the whole time. Yeah, we got a lot of work to do on this one. We got a lot of work to do on this one. Let me see if I can just pull in here and turn around. Transmission feels really good. It's very responsive. That's for sure. Man, the paint though, some of the paint work, I'm looking here under the look at that, man. Some of the paint work's gonna have to be tightened up. This steering is definitely got to be tightened. I mean, look at this slop, man. This is not going on the track anytime soon, guys. I got a lot of work to do. She's quick though. She's definitely quick. She's got the power. Listen to that. She got it. She got the power. Jesus. How does the white kid, the meme, say that? Jesus Christ. This thing. This thing has got stupid power, man. Alright. Well, we're going to roll it on back. Come on, brakes. I had to like guess. Look, I'm still rolling. So we'll put the ramps down. We'll get her loaded up here in a minute, which this is going to be concerning because she's a wide car, but I think I can get her on there pretty straight. Oh, let's find out. Oh, I know y'all probably want to hear her a couple times, huh? Oh, there's a dime. Let me put these over here. Here you go. Let y'all hear her start one time too. She's a beast. Oh, there's a little cancer over here I see too. A little rust spot. There's a couple things we're gonna have to address, but we'll get her right. God. Beast mode, man. Oil pressure looks good, temp looks good. Mechanically, she runs good. She just got a couple of things that we got to tighten up, man. And we're going to do that. Wow, is that the key? Really? Look at the key, man. I don't even know how that is the... Look at this key. That's the key. Like, you could just like... That's the... Like, there's no jagged edges or nothing. What the hell? I bet you I could probably pop this in here and it will turn, huh? No, okay. That's weird. That is a worn out ass key. Alright, let's get the trailer set up so we can load her up and get on about our business. But figured I'd give you guys a quick view of this absolute thing of beauty right here. Man, I can't wait to get to work on this. You want to talk about nervous wreck? Yeah. Try loading this thing up with these wide ass tires and these rims on here and hope that you don't hit something. Whew. I got her closer on this side than the other side, but she's on here good. Now we got to strap her down and she should be good for the ride home. She should be straight. No parking brake, which was concerning, so I'm really gonna have to strap her down good to make sure she stays on this trailer. Hi TikTok, I'm out at the shop. You can see some of my projects that I haven't touched yet, and that is a disaster. But we have this to get started on, this 1970 Buick Skylark. If you follow anything like National Rim Racing Association or National Donk Racing Association, anything like that, this is going to be a very interesting build for you guys, so stay tuned. She's extremely clean and I am looking forward to showing you the everything about it. When we get where we're going, I'll go ahead and fire it up so you guys can hear it run, so stay tuned for part 2. So I got to give a major shout out to Auto Auction Rebuilds here on YouTube. You know, he's like family, and I'm sorry for the wind in advance, guys. Windy out here today. He hooked me up with these straps, these Vulcan straps. I was using those big old long joints, Man, let me tell you how much easier it is to strap stuff down and protect rims and tires by using these straps. So major shout out to him for that, because I needed it with this one. All right, we got her all the way strapped down in the front. I'm gonna put one in the rear, and then we should be good. All right, guys, now that we got her fully strapped down on the trailer, I knew I should have used the GoPro for this because I know the wind is probably ruining the damn audio quality. I hope not, man. Now that we got her all strapped down nice and tight, you want to make sure when you do your straps that they're not overly tight. See that? That one's nice and tight. Maybe a tad too tight, which will keep these ones nice and tight. All right, see if I can back this thing out of here and we'll hit the road. Old white man problems. Old overweight white man problems. Hot, sweaty. Oh, balls. All right. And I know you're gonna say, TK, I can't believe you're doing another project and you haven't even picked up the other stuff here yet. Look, this is 2021 and my New Year's resolution was to do the same shit I did last year, which is procrastinate and not do shit. So if that offends you, I don't know what to tell you, but I'm gonna do whatever I want. And right now it's this. So let's get this thing home and get started. After much playing with the ditch, you can see back there in the mirror, she's loaded, we're turned around, we're facing the right way, and we're out. We're going off the back side of the farm. That's what that tree line is. That tree line back there separates the rest of the property, the barns and everything else. But now we're good and we can head the hell out. And I'm gonna stop and get me a Pepsi Zero because I am hot, thirsty as a mug. Oh, am I gonna clear that? Oof, I was in the ditch for a minute. I gotta remember, I got a damn 20-foot trailer. Oof. Then we'll check our straps again, make sure that we're still nice and tight on the trailer, make sure we're nice and firm and good, and then we'll just keep it moving, man. But right now she looks good. So let's get on up here and see if we can get her home and get to work on it. All right, guys, that's just gonna do it for the first video on this. It was just I don't know if I want to do this as a bonus video or as the main video for the day, but let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I think it's gonna bring a lot of really cool content and a lot of interesting stuff for you guys as we move forward. If you like it and you like what I'm doing here on the channel, go ahead and give this video a massive thumbs up. It lets me know that you guys are liking the content, and it also motivates me to continue to make, you know, more and more and more great content. Uh-oh. Somebody must have been out here speeding or something. They don't play out here in Sampson County at all. Look, there's another one behind this Mercedes. They must have traffic stops or what do you call it? Speed traps all through here today. Damn. Anywho's, that means I'm gonna focus on driving so I don't get a ticket. Like I said, if you guys liked the video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and stay tuned. I think you guys are going to thoroughly enjoy this build and the work that we're gonna be doing to this car. And today I got two things. Like, I'm gonna go home, and you'll see this probably in tomorrow's video. I'm gonna get started on this right away. I got my drill bits and stuff for the Volkswagen. I'm gonna be pulling that out. I'm gonna be doing a lot of work today, guys. So tomorrow's video should be even more crazy and more getting down to business. So with that said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.